Okay, so we have another one of these problems here that looks like the first here. The tower, it says, is 400 feet tall. Person A has an angle of elevation of 18, so that's an angle of elevation of 18. And person B has an angle of elevation of 31, so there's my two angles. All right, it says how far apart are the people. So it wants to know that distance right there. All right, now, like the rest of them, let's find our right triangles. So I've got a right triangle right here. And then I have a right triangle right here. So what do I want to know? Well, if I find this side from here all the way to here, and I find this side from here over to here, this one A and this one B, to figure out the question mark, I'm going to do B minus A. Okay, so I'm back to subtracting. I have angles, so it's going to be a SOHCAHTOA problem. All right, so SOHCAHTOA problem. Let's do the blue triangle first. So the blue triangle, hypotenuse is over here, opposite is over here, adjacent's down here. I want to know the adjacent, and I know the opposite, so we're back to a tangent problem. The opposite's 400. The angle is 31. I don't know the adjacent. Put it over 1 and cross multiply because I know the angle. So tangent 31 is 0.600. 0.600. 400.600x. Divide by that. And I should get 665.711. So 665.711 equals x. So there's my first part. That's A. All right, then I want B. And I got to go with the orange triangle. And then back to this one that's overlapping again. So these are a bit of a pain. But the hypotenuse of the orange triangle is there. The opposite of the orange triangle is all the way across here. It's the 400 again. And then the adjacent is here. I need to know the adjacent. And I know the opposite. So we've got another tangent problem. Top here looks like the colors. So tangent of the angle equals refraction. The opposite is 400. The angle is 18. I do not know the adjacent. Put it over 1 and cross multiply because I know the angle. Tangent of 18 is 0.324. Cross multiply and I get 400 equals 0.324 blah 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 x. $1231.073. That's side B. And then we said we were going to subtract these two to get our final answer. That one and subtract that one. 565.365. 565.365. And it says nearest foot, so that means round of 5 within 6. So it looks to me like this is going to be 560